Before assembly, remove the front wheels of the car and the wheel arch covers. Secure the front of the car. We recommend working with 2 people. The car should be clean and dry. Prepare the side vents, template, and necessary tools. Cut the template according to the outside lines. Place the template on the wheel arch. Before gluing it, measure its position. The front line of the template should be flush with the wheel arch line. The top corner of the front line of the template should be 75 mm from the bonnet line. Stick the template wet to be able to make corrections to its position. Stick masking tape on the top line of the template. Measure 500 mm from the beginning line of the wheel arch and mark it on the tape. In the place where you marked the point on the tape, at a 90-degree angle, measure 25 mm from the bonnet and mark the next point. From this point, measure the distance to the mark on the template. This distance should be 110 mm. If the dimensions do not match those described in the instructions, we recommend moving the template to obtain the indicated dimensions. Wrap the template with masking tape. Drill holes in the corners of the drawing on the template. Cut the wheel arch fragments according to the drawing on the templates. The cutout fragments should cover all the sheet metal layers. Place the front fender side vents in the cutout holes. Check the fit. If necessary, level the cutout and smooth the edges of the sheet metal. Repeat the same steps on the other side of the second wheel arch. Place the side vents in the cutout holes and carefully determine their correct position. They should be positioned so that there is a distance of 30 mm from the edge of the front fenders to the bend line of the wheel arch above them. Measure this distance from the front and rear sides of the side vents. Place the front fender side vents in the prepared holes. Use masking tape to mark their outline. Then protect the edges of the sheet metal in the cutout from corrosion. Remove small pieces of the protective film from the double-sided tape on the side vents and bend them outwards. Then place the side vents in the holes as marked with tape and press them against the wheel arch. Gradually remove the remaining pieces of the protective film and press the side vents against the wheel arch. Use window glue from the inside of the wheel arch to firmly attach the side vents. The glue should be applied to the entire outline of the side vents. Then attach the side vents to the wheel arch so that they do not move. Leave the glue to harden for about 24 hours.